Almost 30 years ago to the day, the European Union was born here, in the Dutch city of Maastricht. Just a stone's throw from where the Maastricht Treaty was signed, citizens taking part in the Conference on the Future of Europe met to set out their recommendations to reform the EU. Over the weekend, some 200 participants of the Fourth European Citizens Panel voted on ideas on the EU's place in the world in terms of trade, solidarity and migration. Recommendations covered topics like making the EU more self-reliant in terms of imports and resources. Citizens also put forward ideas for uniform EU rules on the treatment of refugees and how to address the causes of migration.
The same human rights should be protected around the whole of the EU. This is to prevent the pushbacks and the violence around the borders, around the migrant camps.
The promotion of EU values like democracy and citizen participation was also discussed.
We're trying to focus mostly on that, on projecting this value of democracy both inward and possibly inspiring other countries to follow in our footsteps.
Participants recommended ways to ensure imports are ethically and sustainably produced, protecting both human rights and the environment. The 20 citizens representing this panel will champion its 40 recommendations in March at the conference plenary at the European Parliament in Strasbourg.
Notre travail après en tant qu'ambassadeur, ça va être vraiment de continuer à faire le lien entre tout ce qu'on a fait ici. Notre rôle, ça va être vraiment d'appuyer pour que ça soit fait dans le terme qu'on veut, que ça ne soit pas dévoyé.
The work of Claudia, Peter, Monsef and their peers will feed into a final report which EU institutions have to follow up on.